Many of our customers want to know the difference between OEM and aftermarket parts. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. OEM parts are the parts that your vehicle was built with when it left the factory. They are made by the same people who made your vehicle. OEM parts are tried and tested and have met the rigorous crash safety standards that were in effect when your vehicle was made, along with required corrosion protection that will keep the parts from rusting. Aftermarket parts are just how they sound. They are made by someone who has tried to copy or replicate the original manufacturer's OEM parts. Aftermarket parts are a cheaper alternative to the factory original parts, which makes them desirable for someone attempting to save money on a repair. However, the fit is not always the same, and aftermarket parts have not met the same standards that are placed on the original factory parts. We always write estimates for using factory OEM original parts because we want to see your vehicle retain its value and protect you as it was designed to in the event of a major accident.